The courtroom is filled to capacity as supporters of Governor Usman Ododo of Kogi State and his challenger, Mr. Murita Lajaka, gather for the verdict of the Court of Appeal on the outcome of the November 11, 2023 governorship election. Having exhausted their legal fireworks a week earlier, the three-man panel of justices, led by Justice Oyenkachi Otisi, proceed to deliver their judgments. The Social Democratic Party and its candidates, Mr. Murita Lajaka, predicated their appeal on the alleged certificate forgery of Mr. Ododo, overvoting and substantial non-compliance with the electoral guidelines. In the unanimous decision, the court dismissed the appeal on the grounds that the issue of alleged certificate forgery is a criminal allegation, which is a pre-election matter that must be proven beyond reasonable doubts. The court further held that the destiny of the appeal is not in the cloud, therefore sees no reason to disturb the findings of the election tribunal. However, lawyer to Mr. Ajaka disagrees with the appellant court as he vows to challenge the verdicts.
The second respondent presented forged certificate to INEC. We brought in documents to prove that. We called 3 witnesses, PW2, PW3, PW24, to substantiate that. However, in the wisdom of the Court of Appeal, they said that is a pre-election issue. We believe that this may not be the end of the story, because democracy in our country is on crutches. It requires redemption, and we are hopeful that the final court of the land will step in and redeem the situation.
On his part, the counsel to Governor Usman Ododo applauds the verdicts of the appellant's courts.
In any event, we are not able to even bring evidence to show what was presented and whether the document qualifies as a certificate for the purposes of the Constitution. Then on the issue of non-compliance, they hint all their case on a witness who testified without a witness deposition from the authorities of Peter Obi and all the series of cases of the Supreme Court, which are quite clear on the point that a witness who does not testify with a front-loaded deposition is not a competent witness. Whether the trial court was at judgment realized it made an error in admitting the document, it can expunge same at any time, and that's the take-home from this judgment. So we are very pleased with it.
As the Social Democratic Party and its candidates head to the Supreme Court, the verdict of the appeal court is a temporary relief for Governor Ododo and his team.